Are you interested in student housing in the Netherlands? Follow me.
Hi.
Hey, can I have a tour?
Yes, of course. Welcome.
Thank you. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Gabi.
And how did you get this place?
I actually found it on Facebook, just on the Facebook group. It was posted and I applied.
The size
I think it's about 14 square meters.
and the price?
It's 370 euros.
Then how many do you live with?
6 in total. Well, I'm the sixth, so yeah, I live with 5 roommates.
And can you please show me the weirdest thing you have in the room?
Yeah, sure. Over here, I have the Swedish handmade horse with a Polish flag. I'm from Poland, Swedish flag. I lived in Sweden and Breda flag. So I think that's a pretty unique item to have.
Perfect. Student housing in the Netherlands is not easy. If you want to know how BOS can help you, check the description down below.